Hello, and today at Model Corner we'll be looking at another Gemini jet, with this time it being the Gemini Jet's Wideroe Embraer E190-E2 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in this presentation box, which has a mock-up of the plane on the front. This is identical to the one you'll find inside. It's got Wideroe, obviously the name of the company that ran this plane, Embraer E190-E2, which is the make of the plane, plus its scale. Looking inside the box, you'll see the picture again. On the back, okay, another picture. Tells you what a Gemini jet is, which is just, a high quality die cast metal plane. We go back to the front again. It says, look inside. You could pop the lid and see the plane inside the box. As so, you can see, even now you can see all those nice details. And also on the lid, we have some information about the plane. Here we have a little history of the Embraer E190-E2. And down here we have some specifications such as the livery, its aircraft type, its max takeoff weight, its cruising speed, and here we have some measurements such as its length, its height, and wingspan in feet and inches. Now, let's get the plane out of the box and have a closer look at all of its nice detail. So, let's see. It comes packaged like this. Just remove the top layer of plastic. There'll be a sheet of plastic typically on top, just take that off. And here we have it, the Gemini Jet's Embraer E190-E2. Very nice detail. I didn't get the cockpit to focus. As you can see, we've got the Wideroe livery on it. It's registration of LNWEA, of course with a little Norwegian flag next to it, as this is a Norwegian regional airline, Wideroe is, and is the largest regional airline in the Nordic countries. So, it's a very nice plane. Again, let's look at the other side, that Wideroe livery. And let's look at some of the nice details. If you can see very clearly, that's part of the registration on the wing. The wing, the flaps for the landing gear. Of course, it's very nice. If we can get it to focus, it has Wideroe written on the jet engines. We turn it underneath, you can see we've got a little Gemini Jets logo there. Again, the registration of LNWEA. And look at all the lovely details. You can see the flaps and the ailerons on it. You can see the elevators and the rudders on the stabilizers. Well, as you can see on the little top, very small little things. You've got to be careful with, you don't want to break them. We have landing gear. It's very nice. Again, do not want to break it. But it is a very nice, sturdy, die-cast metal plane. Of course, this is an Embraer, and this is which is a Brazilian plane manufacturer, and this is from their E-Jet E2 fleet of planes. Again, looking at the nice detail on this. This model itself has a wingspan of about 8.43 centimeters and is about 9.06 centimeters long. So a very nice size. So you can see if I rest it on my hand on its landing gear. Very nice model. Turn it around. See if we can spot any extra details that I may have missed. You can see all detail on doors, the Wideroe livery. Got a little symbol here, if we can get it to come into focus. So if we move this box out of the way a sec. As you can see, all the little details. We've got something written under the wing here. There is tons and tons of little details all across this plane. It's very, very detailed. It's a very, very realistic one-to-one representation of what this plane would look like if you were to see it in person. And it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.